Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, all different stores, let to find the deals, sales, stuff I need, viral stuff, all that. So if you like shopping, all that, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my hauls. So today's video is going to be a weekly Dollar Tree haul. Today's Monday and I'm going to go all the way till Friday and put everything in this video. Unless it's too long, it'll be 2 videos, but you'll find that out. So yeah, so today's portion of the video is 2 Dollar Trees that are literally here. And they're normally my favorites, and I did score. So let's get into it. Make sure you're subscribed. So the first thing, these are new. These are versatile, arrange as you like, switch plate cover decor. Smart fits all sizes and styles with switch plates. So these are for babies, and it's supposed to be in, like, if you have light switches like this, you can decorate it. I think this is so cute, and I have light switches that I want to decorate like this, so I got this one, because this is, like, the one that was not, like, hello, baby, 1 year old, like, literally, so I got these, and for $1.25, I think it's pretty fun, so I got that, because why not? Then, I got Scented Pastel Gel Pens. I love these, and it is, let's see, ice cream, milkshake, candy, and macaroon. Yeah. Oh, mint chocolate chip, bubblegum, orange float, and grape macaroon. Okay, like, how fun are these? I just love these. So precious. So, we got those. Then, I got this. Bernstein Bear County Coloring Fun. Now, I got this because I'm back down the Shane Dawson rabbit hole, and I watched a whole conspiracy video on the Bernstein Bears. So, yeah, I had to get this Bernstein Bears coloring book, because why not? And it's really because of Shane Dawson, so I got that. So random, I know. Then, I got these extra 6 individually wrapped towelettes stain remover wipes. Then, I found these 2. So we have the yellow Crayola and the blue Barbie. I love these. They're so cute, so fun, great for gifts. Okay, next up, I'm turning off. Oh, here we go. So, I got these multi-use trash bags. You get 10, and these are travel, bedside, and kitchen, holds up to 500 grams, tear and stick, and you get 10 in here. These are large, and they're blue, and yeah, great for travel, home, whatever. Okay, then I got these little hair ties, and you get 10 in here, and how cute are these? Like, I just love these. So I got those. Then, to go with that, I got the little hairbrush. Like, literally, this is just so cute. Perfect for travel, whatever you want to do with it. So we got her. Then, I got the Spa Luxury Whipped Shave Cream, Extra Creamy Vanilla Coconut. So, yeah, I'm excited to try this, actually. So, we got her. Then, I got the Repair Smoothing Foot Cream, because my feet, it's summer, dry, so I got the foot cream. Then, anytime I see it, I pick it up. This is my favorite lip gloss from Dollar Tree right now, plus the cat, so we got her. Then, we got the Clean Color Lip Color in Majesty. So pretty, so cute. Doesn't smell like anything, which is actually nice, so. And that was in Majesty. Then, I'm distracted. Okay. Then, by B Color, we have the Hydrating Lip Balm infused with rose oil. I know these were from way back when, but I always did like them, and I never remember seeing, like, the clear one. So, packaging's so cute. Number 1. And then, yeah, just clear. Doesn't smell, which is nice. So, got her. Then, these 2 things are new. So by Beauty Intuitions, which we've seen before, but it is the Get Ready to Shine High Shine Lip Gloss in Juicy Cherry. Like, how lovely is that color? And then we have another one, and it is in Peachy Queen. Like, are we kidding? So, I did put them on my lips, but I will swatch them on my wrist too. Oh, okay, that's really nice. And then we have this one. Okay, I don't know why that just happened, but okay. And okay, don't press to. I have no idea what just happened to that. I don't know what just happened, but these are the two swatches, and they're on my lips too, but this is a no-no. I don't know. Day 2 of this haul, I went to 2 different stores. I do like these 2 stores, so it was kind of a hit, kind of, you'll see. So, first thing I got is the Wrinkle Away Spray. One, I saw this on the Today Show, and they want $6.99 for it, and I'm like, no. Dollar Tree $1.25. But by the time you guys are watching this, these are $1.50. But I still got it before the deadline of $1.50 because the price hikes are outrageous to me. So I got that. Then I had a request from a family member that if I found hand sanitizers to get them for them, and so I found some. We got the blue Crayola. We got, which one's this? The all red Spider-Man, and then 2 of the Squishmallows, pink and purple. So that was a family request. Then I got this, and I think this is so cute. It's a Crafter Square crochet kit, and it's like a little cactus. And look how cute, like I love that. You guys know, like I do my little Dollar Tree crafts, so I was like, you know what, why not try the crochet one? So I got that to try, and I'm excited. Then I did get another, oh, I'm dropping everything, another one of these coasters to do because, like I showed you guys before, I did them some already, and I love doing, they're so fun. So I got this one to do, because it's fun. Doing crafts is like stress relief. Then I got some more of the highlighter and pens. I love these. So I got this set. And then we got this set. And I can never find these anymore. I don't know if they're just all like gone or what. But I got these 2 sets. Then the rest of this portion is all beauty. So first off, I got more of the hair ties, the Invisible Bobble hair ties. I can't believe how good these are, truly. And for $1.25, can't beat that. So I got these ones, the brown ones. And then I got the Elegant style clear ones. If you guys see these, pick them up. They're fantastic. Literally. Then, saw it all over TikTok, and I finally found it. It is the Softy Flexi Detangler Wig and Hairbrush. Great for maintaining and styling hair and wigs. I love detanglers. It's all I can use on my hair. And the fact that this was $1.25, freaking Softy brand, like, are you kidding me? So this was an ultimate steal. I'm so glad I found this. So we got her for $1.25. Okay, then I did get another brow affection in light. I cannot tell you how much I use this and how much I love the brow affection, so we got her. Then the rest of the stuff is definitely from the older collection, but I haven't seen it in forever, so I was stoked. First, we got the chocolate scent lip balm, little ice cream cone lip balm. I love this. I'm happy these collections are coming back. They have red tags like on the display. I hope that doesn't mean HPC is going up. I will cry. But we got chocolate lip balm. Then we got from the I don't remember, like the Ringmaster collection is what I'm about to show you guys. I got the multi-use eyeliner pen in pink. It's like the little heart stamp and then the pink eyeliner. I'm going to try this because I think it's fun. So we got her. Then we got the lip oil in Pink Magic. Love her. Lip oil in Orange Crush. This one was my favorite when it first came out, so I'm stoked to see it back. So we got that one. Then we have the lip jelly tint in Peach. I am obsessed with this one. I love Peach. So we got her. Then we got, what is this? Okay, the lip jelly in Red. Love her. Then the lip jelly in, of course, Pink. So we got every color in that. And then to finish off the lip jelly tints is the Blackberry, which I love the purple. Like, are we kidding? But it doesn't go on purple, I remember. So we got her. Then the last two, of course, we got the blush. This is in Dusty Rose. I love this color. And then Coral Pink. So yeah, these are the two blushes. No idea what happened to my outro, but that concludes this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for. Definitely subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.